Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 3178. Find the children who has the ball after k seconds. You are given two positive integers n and k. There are n children numbered from 0 to n minus 1 standing in a queue in order from left to right. Initially, child 0 holds a ball and the direction of passing the ball is towards the right side. Okay, then after some seconds, he will, after each second, the child will passes the ball to the next child. Once the ball reaches either end of the line, that is child 0 or child n minus 1, the direction is reversed. Return the number of child who receives the ball after k seconds. So they are asking us to find who has the ball after k seconds. Fine. So let us see the example so that more clear. See here, this example, they have given child is totally 3 and k value is 5. So they are asking us to find there are 3 children numbered from 0, 1, 2 and who has the ball after 5 seconds. See here, at 0 second, 0 has ball, then 1, then 2, then again we want to change the direction because we met the end, right? So I will change the direction again. No, I met the end, so change the direction for 1. So 1 will have a ball. Fine. From this example itself, it is clear that the first approach, the brute force approach, is like, take for example, this is the array. Okay, at the first, I will be in this index. So initially, my k value will be what? 5. Now, when I move one step ahead, I'll make this k value as 4. Again, if I move one step ahead, I'll make this k value as 3. Now again, I want to change the direction, right? Now I'm going to the left to right direction. Now I want to change from right to left direction. If I change from right to left direction, I want to be at 1. Now k value will be 2. Again I will reduce. So at 0, now it is at 1. Now again I will increase. So my pointer will be at here. K value is 0. So stop here. So what is my answer? It is 1. Okay. If I move from left to right, what is my observation? And if I move from right to left, what is my observation? If I move left to right, it will be 0, 1 and 2, which means plus 1. And from right to left, it means 2, 1 and 0, which means minus 1. So when I am initially starting, my direction will be plus 1. And when I reaches this n minus 1, I will make my direction as minus 1 and I will plus it. So that it will be reducing. When I reaches this 0, I will make my direction to plus 1, such that 0 plus 1 it will be 1, then 1 plus 1 it will be 2. Like that it will be moving on. At k, when k becomes 0, I will return it, or you can use another count variable, anything. Okay, but this is the logic behind it. Okay, tell me the time and space velocity. I can say space velocity will be O of 1 because we haven't used any auxiliary space, and time velocity will be O of k because we will take for k seconds. Hope you understand the time and space velocity. Fine. Now, the second approach is to optimize it. How can we optimize it? Okay, try it by yourself. If you don't know, you may resume this video. See here. First of all, this n is 3, right? And k is 5. Let me draw. Okay. K is equal to 5. Now, I am at here, right? How many seconds I needed to reach the end? I need 1 and 2. So I need 2 seconds to reach the end. Okay, how many seconds I need to reach another end? 1 and 2. So here also 2 seconds I need to reach the end. So I can conclude that if my n is equal to 3, I need 2 seconds to reach end. Okay, so this is my first observation. Fine. Can we build any other intuition by using this approach? Sorry, by using this information? Yes. Let us see. Take for example, if it is round 0. Okay, round 0, round 1, round 2, round 3. Okay. At round 1, what is my direction? 0, 1, 2. At round 2, 2, 1, 0. At round 1, it is 2, 1, 2, 0. And round 2, it is again 0, 1, 2. Here again 2, 1, 0. So I can say for even For even round, okay, take for example this even round, the direction is what? Left to right. For odd round, it is what? Right to left. This is my second information I got from this example. Okay, can we use this observation to build any other intuition? Let us check. Okay, if take for example something like this same example. It is 3 and k value is 5, right? So how can I calculate what is the round? It is simple, right? K divided by n minus 1, which means which is equal to what is k value? It is 5 divided by 3 minus 1, it is 2, which is equal to 2. So two rounds are completed. You can say. So what is mean by two rounds? 1 and 2. So two rounds are completed. Then what is the remaining number we have? So k mod n minus 1. So which is equal to 5 mod 2, which is equal to 1. So we have one more second. We have one more second. At one more second, where should I go? See here, I am at what? That 0. What is my direction currently? It is from right to left. Then I want to reverse the direction. So I will take from what? This one. I will take from this 1. That's why I said this is important. See here, 2, round 2, right? Round 2 rounds are completed, right? Which means I am at this position. I am at this position. Now see here, first is 0, then what will be at, then again at 1 second, what will be my answer? It is 1. That's why we are returning 1. So what is my observation? If k divided by n minus 1 is even, then what should I return? I should return directly the k mod n minus 1 value. So this is the value I should return. Okay. Else what should I return? Else means what is the meaning? This is odd. If this is odd, then what should I return? Take for example, if it is round 3, and it may be like 1, again 1, or it may be 2. If it is 2, my pointer will be at here, right? At 0. If it is 2, my pointer will be at here. So I can say it is like n minus, what is the value? The value is 2, right? So we will subtract that remaining value. What is the remaining value? K mod n minus 1. I will divide this remaining value minus 1. So this is my output. This is my return statement, right? Hope you understand this approach. So what is my time and space constantly? I can say time constantly will be O of 1 and space constantly is also O of 1. So this is my time and space constantly. Now let us see the code so that it will be more clear. See here, position is equal to 0, direction is equal to 1. You say direction is from left to right, so it is addition of 1. Now for I am range of k, so k seconds. First of all, if direction is 1, okay, if position is equal to n minus 1, which means what? I reach the end. If I reach the end, I want to change my direction to what? Minus 1, and I will add the position to the direction. If it is not equal to n minus 1, then 1 is added. If it is n minus 1, the time itself minus 1 is added. Hope you understand. Now, else I want to do this exactly opposite. Okay. Now I will return it. Let me submit it. Then over to cut பண்ணிரு. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, see the second approach. This is the math approach. First of all, I want to do n minus equal to 1 because in repeatedly I am doing what? N minus 1. Because we need, if the n value is 3, I need only 2 jumps to complete 1 round. So, how many rounds we have completed exactly? K divided by n rounds we will complete. Now, rem is equal to k mod n, which means remaining seconds. We have how much remaining seconds? Okay. Now, rounds mod 2 is equal to 0, which means what? If it is even, what should I do? I should return the remaining seconds. If not, I should return what? N minus remaining seconds. Here what I returned? Here I returned n minus k mod n minus 1, right? So this is what in Paintify I returned like n minus rem minus 1 because this n value is not changed to 2. It is still 3, right? So 3 minus, if take for example 2, then minus 1 is equal to 0. If 2 is my remaining seconds, it will be pointing to what? 0. That's why I use what? This minus 1. Don't confuse. In that code, I already changed n as n minus 1 so that I don't want to include this. In this code, I haven't changed that n value, so I want to do what? Minus 1. Fine. So that's why I used. Now let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.